Hi everyone, welcome back to the math tutor. In today's video, we do a geometry lesson on congruency of triangle for class 9 student. So, if you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So, what do you mean by congruent? Congruent means equal in all respect. So, when I say to triangle ABC and PQR, suppose ABC and PQR are two triangles. Okay, when I say ABC and PQR two triangles are same, that congruent, that means they are all sides, their perimeter, their each angles are same. Okay, so when I write triangle ABC, suppose I am writing triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQ. That means the angle A is equals to angle P. That is measurement of angle A equals to measurement of angles P. And measurement of angle B equals to measurement of angle Q. Similarly, measurement of angle C equals to measurement of angle R. Similarly, the corresponding sides are also same. AB equals to PQ. AB equals to PQ. BC equals to BC equals to QR, and AC equals to PR. So if the two if they are the only congruency of triangles are is written. Okay, suppose and if the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR is written in the question paper, so we can easily identify which angles are and which sides are equal. So simply you see from the name. Okay, if A is the first one is equals to first one, the second is equals to second, and third is equals to third. So these corresponding parts of congruent triangle are equal. So generally when we prove the theorem or when you do any example, we simply write corresponding parts of congruent triangle are equal. Okay, so by CPCT we write by CPT. CPCT means corresponding part of congruent triangle. So now comes to the different criteria for congruency of triangle. Criterion of congruency. So the first one is side angle side congruency. That means two sides and their intermediate angle of two triangles if same, then we say that triangles are congruent. So in case of this above two triangle ABC and PQR, if suppose AB equals to PQ, okay, and BC equals to QR, then their intermediate angle is, if for ABC is B and for PQR is Q, the angle which are intermediate, that means the in between of these two sides. Okay, so if in above case, if AB equals to PQ and BC equals to QR, then angle B must equals to angle Q to make these two triangle congruent. Okay, if they are if that is given that AB equals to PQ, BC equals to QR, angle A is equals to angle P. Okay, so we cannot say that whether the triangle are congruent or not. May be congruent or may not be congruent. But if these two sides, the two pair of sides are same, and these angles that are the intermediate angles is same, then we can clearly say that these two triangles are congruent. And the second one is angle side angle congruency. This is the similar as the above, but the sides are replaced by angle. Okay, so that is two angles are same and their intermediate side should be same. So here in if you see, suppose I have two triangle ABC. Now so let's say different name. Okay, pick DEF and GHI. Suppose E angle is equal to H angle and angle F equals to angle G angle. So their so E is equals to G, sorry, E equals to H, and F equals to G. That means their intermediate sides should be same. The intermediate sides of EF is E angle and F angle is EF. EF should be equals to the intermediate angle of G and F, intermediate side of G and F, that is GH. If EF equals to GH, then we can say that these two triangles are congruent by ASA congruency. Okay. Now the third one is quite obvious, that is SSS congruency. All the sides of a triangle is equals to all the sides of another, then we say these two triangles are congruent. Okay, so this is quite obvious. And the last one is RHS. This is actually a special case for right angle triangle. Okay, so when two right angle triangle, I am comparing two right angle triangle. Okay, so that first one should be right angle. Okay, there should be right angle. Their edge for their hypotenuse should be same, and as for side, that is any remaining sides. If any remaining sides is same, then we say these two right angle triangle are same. So remaining side is this one and this one, and this one is this one. Any two pair if same, any one pair if same, then we say this is congruent. These two triangles are congruent by RHS congruency, that is right angle, hypotenuse and side. So we will understand this with two example. So actually in this video we do examples on this first one and second one, and in our next video we do examples and two important theorem on SSS and RHS congruency. So the first one, understand this example, that here I mixed the figure. So here AB and CD, they are intersected. So here given that AO equals to BO and DO equals to CO, and we have to show that triangle AOD equals to triangle BOC. So first we consider these two triangles. Okay, it is clear that AO equals to BO, A equals to BO. The first in these two triangles is AO equals to BO, is given. Second one is also given, that is CO equals to DO, CO equals to DO, it is also given. Now we have to show when two sides are same, we have to show their intermediate angle should be same to say these two triangles are congruent by SAS congruency. So what is the intermediate angle of this AO and BO? Sorry, these two triangles. Okay, so this AO D in AOD triangle, angle AOD, this angle is same with this angle. Why these two angles are same? No, actually I am writing right opposite. Okay, here DO is equals to C, because I am considering AOD triangle. So this left side should be of triangle AOD and right side should be angle triangle BOC. The third one is angle AOD equals to angle BOC. Why these two angles are same? These are vertically opposite angle. Okay, so what is vertically opposite angle? And two side are intersect at a point, they create two pair of vertically opposite angle. Okay, they create four angles, two pair of vertically opposite angle, and these vertically opposite angles are same. So by SAS congruency, these two triangles are congruent. Triangle AOD congruent with triangle BOC by SAS congruency. Now we have to show that AD parallel to BC. So in the figure, we have to show this AD parallel to this BC. So to make this parallel, we have to show these alternate interior angles are equal, which are the corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Because these two triangles are congruent, so their corresponding parts also same. It is clear that here AO is equal to BO, so their facing angles are also same. Since AO equals to BO, the facing angle of AO or opposite angle of AO is equals to opposite angle of BO. So I can write angle ADO equals to angle BCO. This is by CBSE, corresponding part of congruent triangle. So I can extend this as ADO can also written as ADC, and BCO can also written as BCD, which is alternate interior angle. Since these alternate interior angles are same, we can write AD parallel to BC. Okay. Now, so this proves the question. Okay. Now we have another example, that here AB is a line segment. Here AB is a line segment, and a line L is perpendicular bisector of perpendicular bisector. Suppose we have a line L which is perpendicular and also bisect these two lines. Okay. If a point P lies on L, suppose any point P lies on L, we have to show that P is equidistant from A and B. From A and B, P is equidistant. That means the distance of P from A and B are same. That means we have to show AP equals to BP. Okay, that is we have to show. So what we have given, AB is the line segment, okay, and P is the perpendicular bisector, that is perpendicular and bisect AB. So what is given, we have given that, suppose I have named this as O, okay, given that L is perpendicular to AB, okay, and bisective here perpendicular to AB and bisective. Then we have construction, sorry, what we have to show is that P is equidistance from A and B, that is AP equals to BP. That is we have to see. Now proof. Okay, let L intersect AB at O. Okay, suppose L intersect AB at O. Now we have two triangle. Okay, AOP and BOP. Now in triangle AOP and BOP, we compare this triangle and prove these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then they are corresponding by using the reciprocity property. Okay, these two AP and BB are will be same. Okay, so in these two triangles, first one is AO equals to BO, that is given. AO equals to BO. Since we just write given. Okay. Third one, second one is PO is the common side. PO is the common side. Common side, that means PO is also in triangle AOP and in BOP. The third one is, since it is perpendicular, it makes 90 degree on both sides. That is angle AOP, measure of angle AOP is equal to measure of angle BOP equals to 90 degree. That is also given. So by which property? This side, this angle and this side. Two sides and their intermediate angle. So by SAS property criterion, triangle AOP is congruent to triangle BOP. This implies that by corresponding part CPCT property, this AP is equals to BP. This implies that AP equals to BP by CPCT. Okay. If you do not understand this, please comment. Okay. Now we have the third example. So we have a line segment AB parallel to a line segment CD. Okay, AB parallel to CD, and O is the midpoint of AD. O is the midpoint of AD. O is the midpoint of AD. That means AO equals to, these two are parallel and these two are same. This is given. Okay, so that we have to show AOB equals to DO, AOB congruent to DOC. That means we have to join this. So what are given? We have given that OAB parallel to CD and O is the midpoint of AD. That means that is AO equals to DO. Now to show, what I have to show? First one is AOB, triangle AOB congruent to triangle DOC. In second one, O is also midpoint of BC. Also midpoint of BC. That means that is we have to show OB equals to OC. Okay. So let's start the proof. So if you prove this one, this second one is the automatic. Okay. So now in triangle AOB, in triangle AOB and triangle DOC. So first one is, it is clear that AO equals to D. That is given. Okay, this is given. The second one is, since these two lines are parallel, okay, so this A angle should be equals to D angle, as alternate interior angles are same. This angle A is equals to angle D. Alternate interior angle. Also here we have a pair of vertically opposite angles. So we clearly know that vertically opposite angles are also same. So angle AOB equals to measure of angle COD. Okay. That are vertically opposite angle. So by this angle, side and angle, side and angle. So triangle AOB congruent to triangle DOC by angle, side, angle congruency. And OB equal to OC, that are by CPCT. Here OB equals to OC, which is CPCT. OB equals to MC by CPCT, that is corresponding part of congruent triangle. So this is all about our today's video. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.